movements in planes and axis of rotation. Describing position and movement. A body movement can be described in terms of the anatomical plane through which it occurs and the anatomical axis around which it rotates. The general rule: the axis of rotation is perpendicular to the plane of movement. Anatomical planes. Anatomical planes. Anatomical planes relate to positions in space and are at the right angles to one another. Transverse horizontal plane divides the body into superior and inferior segments. Sagittal plane divides the body in medial and lateral segments. Frontal or coronal plane divides the body into anterior and posterior segments. Movements along planes. Relation between planes and axes. Axis and planes. Movement in the sagittal plane, about the horizontal axis. Movement in the frontal plane, about the antero-posterior axis. Movement in the transverse plane, about the longitudinal axis. Helpful hints. Axis of rotation is always perpendicular to the plane of movement. In the anatomical position, all flexion, extension occurs in the sagittal plane. All abduction or adduction occurs in the frontal plane, and all rotation occurs in the transverse plane. More involved movements are usually not in one specific plane but occur as a combination of motions from more than one plane. Various movements and planes of movement. Examples: